So who's that? Oh, something's wrong with it. Battery's dying. Who's that? Is that Sophie? You want to be in the picture too? You can peek over the edge, Andrew, if you want. Oh, who's this little one? Who's this little one? She's looking at Andrew. Oh, there's Claire. Okay, just yeah, she's happy now.
So, she doesn't want your cold hands on her. She never said. She can't talk. But she isn't saying, get off, get off. Well, she isn't giving crap. Paper towel time.
She need a little. Why don't you get one, Andrew?
No way.
Just get a paper towel.
Alright. Whatever. Hey, you want this?
I think she's kind of happy right now. Hi, Soph. Hi, Sophie. Hi, Sophie. Would you like to sing again?